Can you upload 3-minute Instagram reels? Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to your Instagram, tap on the plus icon from your bottom navigation bar, and now select reel. Now select the 3-minute reel if you have any. But what you but the thing is you cannot add a 3-minute reel. I think the maximum time you can upload a reel, the maximum duration of reel is 90 seconds, or maybe you can, let's see. I have added two different reels here, and now as you can see, this is the new feature and you can upload a 3-minute reel easily. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.